Simply put, if we don't protect nature, we can't protect ourselves.
Did you know that a magical substance biochar, created from agricultural and forestry waste, is becoming a powerful weapon against potent greenhouse gases? These gases, such as methane and nitrous oxide, have a global warming potential GWP far greater than carbon dioxide, making them a huge threat to our climate. So, how does biochar work? Blocking harmful gases from waste. Agricultural waste like straw, fruit shells, and wood chips naturally decompose, release significant amounts of potent greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. By converting these waste materials into biochar, these harmful emissions are avoided altogether, creating a 1,000-year carbon vault. Biochar itself is a carbon-rich solid with an incredibly stable structure, resistant to natural decomposition. When buried in soil, it essentially locks away large amounts of carbon, keeping it safely stored underground for centuries, even millennia away from the atmosphere. Soil emission regulator. Biochar improves soil properties, reduces nitrogen loss, and suppresses N₂O emissions in fertile soils. In flooded fields like rice paddies, it also helps reduce CH emissions. Biochar is a powerful tool in the fight against climate change, reducing the impact of high GWP gases and helping store carbon safely in the soil for the long term.